Hello, everyone. Today I want to share a perspective that has been shaping my work, and the topic is Rethinking AI for business, from personal tool to enterprise system. Okay, so why read this report? We are surrounded by AI talk, absolutely, but most discussion I found still treat AI enterprise AI like a scale-up version of the personal tool. That is I think that is a fundamental misunderstanding. I just try to figure what's the differences between the individual AI and enterprise AI. Okay, before we started, let's start with the core questions. Um, what make AI valuable for an individual and an enterprise? Okay, let's dig down to this. For individual perspective, what is a good experience in the 3 years? Yeah, so basically, like when we are using the AI tool, the first phase is that try to understand me, which means understand my needs and try to know my intention, and then we jump to the response to me, which means they can accurately answers my questions. And lastly, when the AI tool understand me and respond to me, continuous service is much more important because it can become a long-term companion. And it is all about experience. I mean, we need to have try to service us as a long-term ship, right? Yeah, but for the enterprise perspective, so what is valuable in the 3 years? The value looks completely different. In the 3 years, a valuable AI must understand the business. It is a business industry strategy and real need. It's not about the enterprise itself, like process and organization, all kinds of stuff. And the solving problem that is really value driven because they can deliver result in operation and R&D, supply chain, sales. I mean AI can simply deep dive to every operations and can no matter make decision and help us to getting better and autonomous our operation stuff like that. And lastly, continuous create value involve with business upgrade automatically become a true long-term partner. It's not just experience; it's not about outcome. So the AI can scale up with the growth with the enterprise. So they have their own internal pathway to align with our business strategy. So intensely, like both individual and enterprise AI succeed from the same five pillars. First one is accurate intent recognition. The second is efficient scheduling and orchestration. And the third one is a reasonable response time. And the fourth one is sustainable product energy consumption. Lastly is a secure privacy of production. But how this prioritize tells the whole story. For individual, AI is all about smooth nature and interaction. I mean, I'm feeling very good. I'm feeling very exciting when as an individual using AI, it should feel like digital assistant, fast and private, and simultaneously we're gonna have like a sustainable product energy consumption. We just want to make sure that the battery is not drying too quickly, and the devices should not overheat. And lastly, it's about secure the private production and data. My chat and data will not be leaked. So that's the five main aspects in terms of the good experience. But for the enterprise AI, it's all about accurate intent recognition, which means they can understand the business contents, industry, terminology, process, roles, and they have integrated with the business system data to recognize the business event. For example, like if we just place the order in cell M, and then pass the order information to the ERP, and then finally get the delivery information to the TMS, stuff like that. And support intents across the different scenario, like no matter for operation, finance, all kind of business flow can be connected together. Secondly is efficient scheduling of orchestration. I mean, how can AI just, like AI agent, multi-agent can allocate the different agent resources and data, can orchestrate business process, no matter purchase, procurement, sales, inventory, and they still have the ability to, for the core system orchestration, no matter SAP, Oracle, and support multi-personal collaboration and the permission system. We just put a human in the loop and try to make sure there are some necessary operation must be decided by the human. And a reasonable response time, like not just fast, but also stable and predictable, because the business scenarios always, very kind of complicated, so they must not collapse during the they have to, have a prediction, have to kind of so-called like a long term to think about how to solve the problem, and they still must not collapse during the peak period, because maybe during the Black Friday or Double 11 in China, they can support all kind of relevant party, can place order. I mean, they can support the stable operation, and response must align with the service level agreement. It depends on the different client level. We have a different service level, and yeah. So for the sustainable product energy consumption, we have to comply with the ESG and the carbon reduction policy, and pursue the optimal energy efficiency and the performance ratio. So secure private is like we first of all have a data sovereignty and the controllability, because we are not simply allow our own data to leak by outsource, outside large language module. We have to try to protect our data, because data is kind of our assets right now. Well, in comparison, enterprise AI must evolve from usable to user-friendly, controllable, and sustainable. So first, in business, the AI experience isn't just about usability, it's about controllability. And second, for the enterprise, intent recognition isn't a language problem, it is a business modeling problem, like how we can understand our business process right now. And third, the biggest barrier isn't the AI model itself, but stability. How can maintain the run the operation smoothly. Fourth, in the enterprise AI, energy equals compute, and compute equals cost. It must be governed, not analysts get it. And then finally, the real security question isn't can we use it? It is a really pass an audit. Yeah. So basically, think beyond the tool, think system, think value, and think sustainability to the one goal. I mean, as we reflect on the past decade, it was hard to imagine so many people engage in digitalization, transformation. In the next 3 years or 5 years, we might see even more individual and enterprise engage with AI. So because the ultimate goal remains like the integration of all products and services aim to meet the next generation of excellence, experience, and value. Thank you.